Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurliza Wibowo. I'm from Tritri Dental Hygiene. Here, I want to presentation about brush your teeth properly and correctly. Before going to the material, do you know that early caries often occurs in children? Actually, where the heal and how exactly is prevention of early caries? One of the ways to prevent early caries is to brush your teeth properly and correctly. Okay, let's discuss it together. Let's start with the first material. What are the tools and material used in brushing teeth? 1. Toothbrush. 2. Toothpaste containing fluoride. 3. Gargle cup. 4. Clean water. Next, how to brush your teeth properly and correctly? The recommended way of scrubbing is with short movement, namely brushing your teeth repeatedly in one place first before moving to another place. Scrub all surface of the teeth. Move the toothbrush regularly and brush your teeth thoroughly. Don't press the toothbrush when brushing. The parts of the teeth that require special attention when brushing teeth are the part of the tooth that is adjacent to the gums of the lower jaw, the part of the tooth that faces the tongue. Odobac teeth or molars, the part that face the cheek. Brushing the teeth in the lower jaw. Toothbrush holder is placed parallel to the chewing plane. The toothbrush is then tilted slightly so that the bristles are directed at the border between the teeth and the gums. Brushing the surface of the teeth facing the teeth or lips. The toothbrush is moved in a short back and forth motion. The toothbrush is moved in place. Brush the teeth at the back first. After that, the toothbrush is moved to the next place. Brushing the front teeth. The rubbing movement is up and down slowly. Have the surface of the teeth facing the tongue. First, brush the teeth that are located behind. The brushing motion is back and forth slowly. And then rubbing the chewing plate. The chewing plate of the maxillary and mandibular teeth is rubbed with a slow back and forth motion. Okay. When is the right time to brush your teeth? Because people often brush their teeth but not at the right time. Unless we brush our teeth 2 times a day, in the morning after breakfast and second before going to bed at night. Okay, don't be lazy to brush your teeth properly and correctly so that caries can occur early on. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.